Hello guys, we hope you're doing great. I am Juan Felipe Montoya,
And I am Santiago Durango.
and today we will teach you how to make a responsive website with Adobe SD. So to start, you must download the required program, that is Adobe SD. In the description we'll have the tutorial on how to download and install it.
So without further ado, let's start this tutorial. For today, you will learn how to make a hero section for a travel page. You must create a table with the following measures: 1414 for 720.
Before you start placing all your information, define background image that fits and relates to the themes of the site.
After this, you start creating the navigation menu. In this step, we must define the elements that this menu will contain.
First of all, place it in the logo you are going to use. You have two positions to use: in the center of menu or on the left side.
After this, we will use in this example 3 elements to navigate. Place the text with a lightweight typography. We advise you to use Helvetica because it is a very dynamic font. You have to order the elements by priority. For example, in our travel page, we will start with the experience, followed by destinations, and ending with About Us.
Something you could not forget is that if you have space and an action button is never too much. This time we will use a call that will be Book Now, with the navigation menu ready so we can continue with the other elements. Use a striking slogan so that your customers are count when they enter the page. You have to think of something that can create interest in the user. You must remember that for greater impact, the typeface must be larger and thicker.
You have to interact with the customer. For this, we will create a search box with a small description that shows encourage the customer to use it, and also have to attach your proper search button for the user to identify himself. You must place a force inside the search box. You must use a thin font and you must make this first have a color that makes the contrast low. At the bottom of the page, you have to make a small table with the service you offer. You have to be careful to put false information of service because people call to you.
To finish this video, always remember to update your page with the new information and new service you will offer.
Without much more to say, we invite you to follow our channel, in which we try to bring you more and better videos every week. Subscribe to know what you support us, and give me like to understand that you like what we do.
As always, it was a pleasure to accompany you today. See you later.